Bruno Vassari presents its new launch, Cell Active Age Renewal, along with a new intensive anti-age treatment. This treatment firms, moisturizes and nourishes the skin. But above all, it gives excellent results against the early aging of the skin. First, we place one medium-sized towel inside the steamer heater, to which we can optionally add a few drops of Essenza di Beginner Relaxing. We will start following the relaxing protocol by placing the towel under the cervical area while covering the décolleté. Our customer will become relaxed in a few minutes. Then we begin the treatment at the feet area. With our hands on the instep region, we perform an extension movement in the direction of the stretcher. We keep this position for a few seconds. Right after, we perform the opposite movement by bending both feet in an upward direction, keeping this position for a few seconds. To conclude our work on the feet region, we'll finish by crossing both feet and making a pressure on them. Next, we'll proceed to unblock the facial area. To begin with, we uncover the décolleté, which was covered with a towel at the beginning of the treatment, and we leave the towel in contact with the cervical area. We will place ourselves at the upper part of the stretcher, and, with our hands at the shoulder level, we will perform alternate pressures towards the feet. Right after, we change the position of our hands and place them on the front part of the shoulders in order to perform alternate pressures, this time towards the stretcher. We will go ahead performing the pressures on the trapeziums on 3 points simultaneously. Then we take both ends of the towel placed under the cervical area and cover the eyes while pushing slightly towards us. Finally, we place our hands on the towel on the forehead to perform 3 pressures, keeping them for a few seconds. We perform the makeup of the skin by first removing the product from eyes and lips with cottons moistened with the product Biodut. Afterwards, we will clean the face, neck and décolleté with Nettare d'uva, performing circular movements. When finished, we will remove the product by using a gauntlet or a towel moistened with water. Next, we will tone the skin with Pioggia di Vigna, applying it with soaked cottons. Once the skin is clean, we will go ahead with the peeling. To prepare it, we pour the full contents of a 10-gram sachet of bamboo exfoliator microdermabrasion into a bowl with 30 milliliters of water. We stir the mixture with circular movements until a perfectly homogeneous texture is obtained, and then we start working softly on face, neck and décolleté. We will remove the product with abundant water or even, if necessary, with a moistened hot towel. Afterwards, in order to activate blood flow, oxygenate the skin and favor its regeneration, it is advisable to perform a generous massage with our facial massage cream, Vitalizing Massage Cream. Once the massage is over, we remove the traces of cream with a towel moistened with hot water. The performance of this massage is optional. Once the skin is clean again, we apply the concentrate and we extend it until its full absorption. Then we take the relaxing mask out of the envelope and, Once unfolded, we apply it starting from the chin region forwards. We'll let it rest for 15 minutes so that the actives are fully absorbed. After 15 minutes, we will remove the mask beginning at the neck with the help of a tissue to roll the mask in it. In order to favor the absorption of the product remaining on the skin, we perform a brief drumming with the fingers. Then we apply the eye contour product, eye concentrate. And to conclude our treatment, we will apply the finishing cream Restorative Fluid SPF 20 on face, neck and décolleté. Once the treatment is over, we can help our customer wake up by performing once more the protocol on the feet carried out at the beginning of the treatment.